Hello everyone and welcome to Coding Cart. So in this session we will try to understand one HackerRank problem. So you can see the problem name is luck balance and it's under the greedy section in algorithm. So let me first explain you this problem in a simple way what it is saying. So here we will given n contest and each contest contain two things. One is the luck balance and another is its type, whether that contest is important one or not important one. If it is important, then it is denoted by 1, and if it is not important, then denoted by 0. Now, let us take example. Suppose there are 6 contests. So, suppose this is my serial number of contest, this is my luck balance, and this is my type, whether it is important or not important one. Suppose for the very first, my luck balance is 5 and it is important one. For the second contest, suppose my luck balance is 2 and it is also important one. For the third contest, suppose my luck balance is having value 1 and it is also important one. For the fourth contest, my luck balance is 8 and it is also important one. For the fifth, my luck balance is 10 and it is not important one. And for the last contest, suppose my luck balance is 5 and it is also not important one. So suppose this is my sample input. Now they are saying that if you win the game, if you win, then our luck balance will be decreased, and if you lose, then our luck balance will be increased. And after winning and losing the game, we have to return maximum luck balance. So if you see here, if we lose all the game, then our luck balance will be increased and it will give the maximum value, correct? But that is not the case over here. They are given one constraint over here, which is k. It means we can lose maximum k important contest. So for example, here k equal to 3. Here 3 means we can lose maximum 3 important contest. So if you see here we have 4 important one. Now, but we can lose only 3 important one. So which 3 we can lose so that our luck will be maximum. So you can see here luck balance is here maximum, this is important one and this is maximum. So if we lose this one, then it will add in our maximum value. If you lose this one, then it will also add in our maximum value, and if we lose this value, is this game, then it will also add in our maximum. And if you win this one, then it will be decreased by 1, our luck balance will be decreased by 1. It means that we have to lose those contests which are having maximum luck balance, and we have to win those contests which is having minimum luck balance. Means we have to win those which have low luck balance, and we have to lose those which have maximum luck. So you can see here the constraint is we can lose maximum 3 important one. So let us lose 3 important one with the maximum luck value. So we can lose this one and this one, so that it adds in our maximum luck value for our result. So this is the problem. So here the approach is quite simple. What we will do, suppose this is my important one and this is my not important one. This is my important one and this is not important one. So for important one, let us sort in descending order. So if you sort in descending order, you can see here 8, 5, 2 and 1. These are important contest. And for not important, no need to sort, means this is not important, we can simply lose this game. So it will be simply added in our answer. And for the we are very much interested in this important contest, so we can lose maximum 3. So let us lose the very first 3. Since we have sorted in our descending order, so maximum value will be present for these 3. So we can simply lose these 3 value. So this will be added in our maximum. So it will be added as 8, 5, 2. Now we lost the maximum 3 important one. Now we are left with only 1. So it will decrease our luck value. And since these are not important one, we can simply lose this one. If we are losing, then it is adding our luck value. So it will total result in 29. So we have to return this maximum value as our answer. So this is one approach, means we will simply sort my important one in descending order, and we will simply add the value till k, and after rest we will simply decrease in our total. So let us write our logic over here. So they have given the contest and the k value. So let me zoom this one. Now what we have to do here, we will take two lists. One is for important one and another is for not important one. So this is for important one, which will have the value of 1, and another is for 0, 1. Now what we will do, we will assign the value. If it is of type 1, then we will assign in this list, and if it is type 0, means we will assign that luck value in this list. Now let us iterate one by one in our contest. So for value comma types in contest. Now we will check if my type is 1. If it is 1, then we have to append that value in type 1. Append the value. Else it will be of type 0, then we will append in second one. Else t of 0 dot append the value. If it is of type 1, then the value will be appended in type important type list, and if it is of type 0, then it is appended in not important type list. Now we got the value important and not important. The next thing is we have to sort this. We will sort this important one in decreasing order. So t of 1 means important one dot sort, but we have to sort this in descending order. So for that, reverse equal to true. So it will sort in decreasing order. Now what we have to do here, we have to calculate the total sum of t of 1. Now we have to add till my k value from 0 to k. plus the non-important one t of 0, this not important one the whole value. This not important one is not required, that's why we are adding all the values. Now we are done with these things over here, means we added up to k and this one. Now we have to decrease the value after k, means after k we have to decrease the value, means minus the value, minus sum of from the important one, from the value k is to the last, and we have to return this as our answer. So what we did here is we got our important list in decreasing order, and this is not important one, so we added this not important one, and from the important list we have added till my k value, till my k we added. Now till k we added the value. Now suppose these were also the important value, so from the constraint we decrease the value, means we lose that k values up to k, but after that we have to win that game, means suppose there are 10 important game, out of which k equal to 5, means we can lose 5, so up to 5 we have added, means we lost, means we increased our luck value, but for the 5 we have to subtract the value from our luck balance, that's why we have added this one, and we are decreasing the value from k is to last, and we are returning as our answer. So let us run this code and see. So you can see here it is working fine. So let us submit this code. So we are done with all the hidden test cases. So congratulations, we are done with all the hidden test cases. So this was the one method in which we have taken the type 1, means important one in one list and not important in another list, and for the important one we have sorted in decreasing order, and we have taken the value up to till k. Till k we have added the value, and we have added all the value of not important one, and we have subtracted the value after the k. So this was one method. So let us try to solve it another method. So what we have to do here is we got the total contest. Suppose this was my total contest. So what we will do, we will sort the contest in decreasing order. So for example, let us delete this one. We will sort the event contest in decreasing order. So the value will be 10, 0, 8, 1, 5, 1, 5, 0, 2, 1 and 1, 1. So we sorted this in decreasing order. So what we will do, we will again iterate this list and we will check. If the type is 0, we will simply add. If type is 0, we will simply add. Means it is not important one, so no need to win this game. We will simply lose this one and add the value. But for the type 1, since it is in decreasing order, so this is important one, and it is in decreasing order means its luck value will be the maximum. So let us lose this game. So if we lose, then we will add this value and we will again move to the next element. If you see here, again it is important one, so let us lose this one. So we can lose till k, means after each lose we will simply decrease our k minus with 1. So initially my k was having value 3. So after losing this one, my k became 2. So we move to the next element. Since this is also important one, so we lose this one. So here k will become 1. Losing means we are adding. Now we move to the next. So this is not important one, it will simply be added. Now we move to the next element. So you can see here this is important one. Now you can see here k is 1, so it will be added. Now k became 0, means we are done with our given constraint. Now when we are done, so we are left with few elements. For example, suppose one is here and having value 0. Suppose one more 2 were there and the value is suppose not important one. Now if you go to the next element, and if we see if it is not important, then we will simply add this one and move to the next element. If you see this is important one, then we will subtract from our total sum. Means till k not becoming 0, we'll apply this logic, means we'll simply add in our total luck and subtract 1. If it is important, then we'll subtract 1 from my k value till we reach the 0. If you reach the 0, and for the upcoming value, if you see if it is not important one, we will simply add, means it will take in my addition part, and if it is important one, then we'll simply subtract from my luck balance. So this logic will also work. So let me write here. So these two lists are not required. So what we will do here, we will take one variable total luck and initialize with 0. Now we will sort this contest in decreasing order. Equal to true. Now we got the contest in decreasing order. So what we will do here, so let us check for type 0. If it is of type 0, then its value will be directly added in my total luck. Total luck will be added with the value. Now means if it is of type 0, means it is not important one, we will simply add in our total luck. Now else in elif we will check if my types is 1 and the k value is greater than 0. If my type is 1 and the k value is greater than 0, so what we have to do here, we have to add in my total luck and we will decrease our k with -1. Means till the value of k we are adding in our total luck and decreasing the k with 1. If this both the cases are not satisfied, means if it is not of type 0, it means it will be of type 1, and if it is of type 1 and my k is already reached, means we are getting the important one. So for that we will simply decrease our luck balance. So total luck minus will be the value, and at last we have to return the total luck. So it means if it is of type 0, we are simply adding the value, and if it is of type 1, then we are checking whether my k value is greater than 0. Then we will simply add in our luck value and decrease my k. Here, if my type is 0, then it will simply add all the luck value. If it is of type 1 and my k value is greater than 0, means suppose here k equal to 3, means we have to add, means we have to lose the 3 important contests. So we are adding the value till my k is greater than 0, means each time we are decreasing the k, means 3 times we are adding the important one, means 3 times we are losing the important one, that's why we are adding. And suppose if it is of type 1 and my k is already reached, then we have to subtract from our luck balance. So it is like this is in decreasing order: 10, suppose 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and k equal to 3. Suppose this is of type important one, not important, 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 not important, suppose important 2 and important 1. So what we are doing here is, if it is important one, then we are adding this one and we are decreasing k with 1. So one important is added, means we have lost this one. If it is not important, we are simply adding this one. Now you can see here, this is important one, so we will add this one and subtract 1. For this one my k became 2, for this one k will become 1. Now this one is also important one, we will add this one and k will become 0 over here. This is not important one, we will simply add this one. Now we are here, this is important one, but we are given the constant that we can lose maximum 3. So we have lost already these 3 important contests, that's why we have added this value. After that, if we are getting any important one, then we have to simply subtract from our luck value. That's why we are subtracting here from the luck value. So let us run this code. So if you see here, it is also working fine. So let us submit this code. So you can see here, it is also the same logic. Congratulations, we are done with all the hidden test cases. So if you like this video, please do give thumbs up, and if you have learned something new, please do subscribe to our channel Coding Kart, and thanks for watching.